Yeah, man, we in the parking garage. Parking garage, finna roll up, man. Then go outside. We at the Fisherman's Wharf, man. The last stop. The last stop, man. On the hot, on, you know what I'm saying? Every time these days come, it's like, fuck, bro. I really gotta go back home, man. Like, but the best thing about it, this shit give me an adrenaline rush. Like, I literally get adrenaline rush from traveling. We're gonna do Basio and Mellow Runts again. Hold on, that ain't. There it goes. Sluggers hit runts, man. It's like once I got the weed in my blunt, bro. Like, everything that fall out gotta go back in, cause it's like now it's taken away from what I wanted to put in here. It's supposed to be 6 grams, not 5.999 grams. Wow. Try this again. You know? It just happened so easy and just, you know what I'm saying? This shit just happened like. Hey, ladies, get this for that stinking ass nigga. He on somebody nothing but shit and weed. Yeah, man. Just got up here to the first floor, man. The correct floor. Out in the fuck. Oh. Yeah, man, just got up here, man. We got the Fisherman's Wharf, man. Last stop, man. I got one roll. You know, it's just the best. California got the best vibes, man. California is definitely palm trees and good weed, man. For real, that's it. That's it. That's all it is out here. Palm trees and good weed vibes, man. It just be certain ways, like, there's certain ways you can tell your aura. It's just like fire, just because of the fact that, like, people gonna automatically assume you a celebrity already. Like, you trying to get to celebrity status. You know what I'm saying? They're just trying to get there. And they already looking at you like you give off that vibe that you one of them. You know what I'm saying? This the line for the ferry. I'm not trying to get on no damn ferry. I'm trying to go look at shit. It's real windy down here, man, so y'all might get a little bit of wind in y'all ear. I cancel it out if you know what I'm saying? If it's too windy, you can't even hear me. What I'll do is just voice over or just put some music down there. But here we are, man. Oh my God, do y'all see that in the back? Hey, do y'all see that back there? Right there. Right here. See that back there? That's Alcatraz. That's Alcatraz, Rebirth Island, man. If you play Warzone, man, you know what I'm talking about when I say Rebirth Island, man. We gotta go get a closer look at this shit, man. What's going down? It's my boy right here, man. He just spoke to me or something. That's what real niggas do and shit. You know what I'm saying? Ghirardelli chocolates. Ghirardelli. You know? We right here. You know what I'm saying? What's going down, man? Oh man, this shit is beautiful right here, man. He's swimming. beach, man. Oh shit. Golden Gate Bridge. Golden Gate Bridge, man. Shit is beautiful right here. You know? Yeah. California vibes, man. I'm at the beach right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Got one roll. Shit is crazy, man. He's swimming in the water. High Street Pier. Highway climb, man. Yeah, I'm right here finna go on a tour, man. 3-leg tour, hour and a half. Show you all the locations that it's gonna be at. Look at this picture. That's fire. My boy took it from me. He ain't even asked my permission to take it, but shit, hey, look what happened. You know what I'm saying? Got her rated to a couple cool guys, man. We did exchange numbers. Shout out Cannabis Refined on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'm finna let y'all know when I get on the bus. I'm finna finish this. I'm finna load at 3:30. When I get on the bus, when I get on the fucking boat, we'll tap back in.
You got something.
We on the boat for the tour. It's windy as hell.
Why you tripping, Debo?
So just enjoy this way I time the footage that I'm finna put together.
What chain?
Hey, I don't fuck with niggas, don't call me bro. Just cause you ain't see me pop shit, don't call me bro. If you ain't calling about the bread, don't call my phone. Niggas steady sending messages, but won't send a load. Oh, he be thinking with his dick, I'm about to send a hoe. I hit a bitch and make her walk it off. Cause bitch, I gotta go. Tell a nigga that it's smoke, I bet a nigga choke. These niggas just like saying that it's beef with being VMO. Just when he got a money counter, call it cheese grater. Then robbed a nigga with a 22, I named it P Tater. I hit the quay the other day and I couldn't pee later. Still teasing with the paper to my chest, look like a pre-care. Like, look, mama, I made it. Okay, I didn't yet, but shit, I feel famous. All the bitches screaming nigga name when I step on the stage. I'm still clicked up at all my events, cause bitch, I'm more than dangerous. But where the real at? We was really in the field, me D-Wheelin', Jug Ty had to kill tag. Oh, they ain't feel that, Wish a nigga would reach white tee, where a nigga face to live at. Niggas used to tell in school, boy, you a real rat. And really all I got is eyes, so I ain't deal that. Trash niggas capping over wax, like where the skill at? I ain't found a hat that fit yet, but this shit real fat. Bro just pulled him up before, but then he killed the A. And me and Brody both just wrote a trade, like you tryna face. Shooting through the city in the strike. He like you tryna like this one hoe gon' fuck for the low. He call her masturbate. Damn, she a dirty slut. She be down to earth for sure, but I set you up. Bro say he ain't rolling off no more, he pouring niggas up. My young dog hop out with 2 switch, he saying double dutch. Nigga.
Man, I got mind control over Debo. He be like, shut the fuck up. I be quiet, but when he leave, I be talking again.
I'm just put. Man, shit happening, man. It's happening, man. Let me just look at that. That's how it's supposed to look when you just put a couple dollars on some shit. Just a couple dollars, ain't even. It's just a couple dollars. We back in the car, man. What we finna do? Don't know. Go home tonight, though. Guess I might as well head back towards the area.
Keep on calling, they see need some food. Baby, where you at? I'm pulling straight down the